I'll just wait a little bit. Right now, let's show you what's going on in Julian because there's still some patchy snow on the ground, kind of just hardened snow, and I think that's going to be melting off, if not by the end of today, by tomorrow, because temperatures are going to be climbing to near 60 degrees today in the Julian area, and I'm forecasting 60s tomorrow. Right now, we're sitting in the 40s for our valleys, unless you're in Fallbrook and Vista, 60 degrees this morning. So those offshore winds kind of mixing the atmosphere up in some areas, not as much in others. And I want to show you this in particular. Ramona, just about 20 minutes ago, was sitting at 37 degrees. Now it's at 51, which is 13 degrees warmer than yesterday because those winds picked back up. So you probably noticed that if you're in the Ramona area. So a 10 News Futurecast showing those winds, especially in the valleys and our mountains. Still pretty breezy through the morning. We could see gusts 30 to 35 miles per hour and a few isolated gusts higher than that, which we've already seen. But then as we head into the afternoon, those winds really start to ease. Those offshore winds still with us, but much lighter as we head through the day. Today will be the warmest day of the week as high pressure sits over the west, blocking this storm system really from moving too much, but it will start to move in Thursday and Friday, mainly bringing rain and snow to areas of northern and central California, but we'll see a slight chance for a few light showers late Thursday into Friday, and we'll of course be tracking this all week long. Temperatures return to the 60s on Wednesday. Along the coast, we stay there into the weekend. Inland areas, even with the cooling starting tomorrow, we still stay well above average through Wednesday. Average for this time area around 69. We're back there on Thursday. Our mountain areas and deserts will see the winds pick up as that disturbance comes through Thursday and Friday. There you go, 61 degrees for Julian tomorrow. Going to be really nice.